Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina, and look what we got here. It's my brand new CB base antenna. And it's not the Solarcon IMAX 2000, now it's just the Solarcon Max 2000. My guess is Apple's threatened to sue them out of existence like they do with anything that starts with an I these days. I guess I am not allowed to say that anymore. Anyway, Holland, Ohio, made in the USA, and that's kind of cool, isn't it? It's hard to find anything made in the USA anymore, so always pleasant when we find something that we like and it actually is made here in the good old USA. I've got the box partially open, but let's go ahead and we'll open it the rest of the way up. I'll take the camera off the tripod and we will take a look at our new antenna. Wow, okay. Let me just peel this thing the rest of the way open. And here it is. Cool. Let me take it off the tripod. We'll take a look. All right. Let's start at the bottom here. Looks like we've got some mounting equipment, and of course our "You will get killed by electricity" sticker, power lines, that kind of stuff. So that's nice that it comes with that. And looks like this is our top section. Nice. Looks like it's glued in there. So that's the top section. Down. Boop. Cool. 3 pieces of it all together. Here's the main section here. My guess is I'm not going to take that off right now, but that's the tuning ring, I'd imagine, probably. And there's your bracket. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. It actually says Solarcon on it. That's nice. In the USA. And then this is the middle piece here. Again, nicely glued together there. Runs all the way the length. So 3 pieces. You get a close up here, hopefully. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Can't wait to get this thing up in the air. Of course, in order to get it up in the air, I've got to build the tower first. Take a look at this manual again. The Max 2000 Ham CB commercial. Says it works for CB 10 meter, 11 meter, up to 2,000 watts. So if you had a 10 meter, it'd be golden. It's a 5/8 wave. Cool. Anyway, there it is. Short unboxing video of the Solarcon IMAX, or Max as it's been renamed, 2000. 3 pieces. And man, I'm looking forward to setting this thing up, hopefully in the next couple weeks. I've got to take the old Antron down, so I'm going to be without a radio for the first time in probably a long time and just have mobile use only. That's it. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're ever interested in the Max 2000, well, here's what it looks like. Doesn't weigh a lot. Didn't cost a lot to ship this thing, and it looks well built. We'll see how it performs when we get a chance to get it up in the air. Till then, take care.
Something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.